Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how you can make an account in starmatch. So let's get started. So here we can see the starmatch app. So to make an account you will just open it. Okay, so here first of all we have to enter our age. So here you can just scroll and enter your age. So here I am like 22. Just click on continue. So here you have to allow the access. Okay, so if you have phone number you can directly give your phone number, and you can, by clicking here, you can select your country as well. If you don't have, click on no number. So here you have to give your name, then here you have to give next, then here you have to select, like after then you have to select your male female. So I'm a male. So from here you can directly, like account has been created, you can chat from here as well. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question you can let me know, and if you find this video helpful make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.